Hi, cellists. We're going to talk about Hungarian Rhapsody today. Hungarian Rhapsody. Oh my goodness, this is a piece that I wanted to just think about quitting cello, or changing pieces at least. There's a passage on here. There are many passages, but I'm just going to talk about one right here. And how you have to go up into another clef and come back down into the treble clef. You start out in the bass clef, you go up into the tenor clef, and then you go up into the treble clef. Oh my gosh, cellists, we have 3 clefs. This music board is awesome because you can draw all 3 clefs here if you wanted. Today I'm just going to talk about that bottom line, and you have these notes that are up in heaven here, up in the ledger lines. So by drawing them out on this cello clef, which there's only one, and it's made by musicteacherlessons.com. It's the only cello clef out there. Here's your D, and it shows by drawing these out as a teacher, you could do this. And there's a bigger board than this, which gives you even more space to write. But you could draw up a step, up a step, up a skip plus a step, or you could label the notes. And this way you can identify these notes and you're not so like overwhelmed by the notes. And they go up here on this harmonic A. Oh my goodness. So you can compare that to your music right here, and the student's going to pick this up a lot faster. Because let's face it, just teaching a student how to play this by rote, just playing this over and over and having them copy you, that yes, they can play it, but do they really understand it deeply? Probably not for years. And so it's better that you could write it out, or have them write it out, have them explain what's going on, have them label the names of the notes as a cellist. And so that board is very, very helpful when it comes to actually playing this on the cello. So when you put your cello, get your cello out here. Our cellos, beautiful cellos. Then they're going to be able to relate to it because they can see it, and you can point to it as they play it. Teachers, get a helping hand here. Do you ever feel like you need 3 or 4 more hands? I sure do. I could take 3 or 4 sets if I had them. I'd take them. Okay, here we go. So when you're playing this, you're going to be able to show them that to start on this D, open D, and play it for them. So that's Hungarian Rhapsody, my friends. And you can find this board at musicteacherlessons.com.